Hi everyone. Real quick, this is the progress in the yard. We've got that fixed finally. Fence back here. No gate yet. There's a debate on what gate we're getting. Ah, look, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hello, kitty. Oh, kitty. We have a gate here. Separate the customers from the riffraff. Hi, I'm riffraff. Got this all cleaned in. Hey, look, another cat. Hi, kitty. Oh. More interested in the cats than the video log here. So, oh look, another kitty. Hi, kitty. Oh. But anyway, so we got this sidewalk in, and so we have a patio back there, and a little bit of patio over here. Eventually over here we're going to get a greenhouse, which I may not partake in the greenhouse. Okay. Anyway, we got this fence. It's a nice fence. And we have a cat highway back there, and there's a cat highway back there behind the sheds. Yeah, the sheds got repainted. Well, not repainted, painted. There was only a base coat on them to begin with. Anyway, and so out here we've got, you know, some stuff. I still have some crap out here, okay? Anyway, oh look, rebarb. Oh, yes, rebarb. Oh, look at the rebarb. Oh, the rebarb. Anyway, so final step besides the gate back there is actually to get this sidewalk done out here. As you can see, they're replacing the last bit of this sidewalk, because this sidewalk here was a death trap. Okay. Oh, listen to the kitties. Oh man. Oh, the kitties. Oh, the kitties are upset with. Is that so? That's so. Yeah? Oh, you poor baby. Yeah, you poor babies. Anyway, so the cats. Okay, this cat's allowed to be out here. But the cats are protesting that they're not allowed out of the house. And they look outside and go, but there's things to do out there. Anyway, so what am I going to do with this big yard if I'm, you know, this here? So we're going to get a greenhouse, as I said, but we're going to probably have some patio furniture here and some patio furniture there. And and I have a barbecue grill. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do drummings here, and what I'm calling dark arts and craft parties, and because witchcraft happens, and so I do plan on having some theme parties, like all the artists from the Spirit Ways thing, and tarot readers. Yeah, I'd love to have some local tarot readers, because we all have the same problems. Okay, and so yeah, so this yard, we're approaching done on it finally. So, and so that's a good thing. And oh, this poor kitty, you poor kitty. Oh, yeah, you're poor too. So many kitties. So many kitties. So anyway, so that's the... Oh, look, another kitty. Oh, look. It's a secret Georgie that no one ever sees. So, Anyway, so that's the state of the yard, and sometime in the future we're going to start doing these barbecue parties and drummings and all that good junk, and so fun. Have a good day. Bye. You poor kid.